student. How are you? We are doing well. Today I shall speak about these two graphs, how we analyze these two graphs. We have two graphs which explains the, uh, the process of how the internet at the start, how many websites were published at the start until our date, this date, to up to this date. So we started from 1992 until 2014. So we are studying here between these two graphs, we are studying how many websites were at 1992 at the start from the internet, and how many websites are published now in the internet at 2014. We see that we have two axes. This is the data here is the horizontal axis, which represents the years by these two graphs. This is the left graph and this is the right graph. And the vertical axis, we have the number of websites, but it is in millions. It's written millions. So these representing numbers in millions. And this is the number of websites, but there is no millions. That means it's just one website, 10 websites, 100 websites. How I analyze the number of websites in the internet, when I see these two graphs and I look at them, he asked me a question that how many websites were they after one square? So this is square, this is one square, two square, three square. On the left side, after one square, it is 100. This means 100 million. So after one square on the left side, it is 100 million. Another square after two square are 200 million and 300 million and 400 million because there is a million between brackets. So this number representing hundreds in millions, not only hundreds, only this number representing the same number. As we see on the right side, the 1992, there's only one website, and then multiplied by 10, and then multiplied by 100, and then it is. So I see that each square, the websites are just like each division is multiplied by 10. So this 10 multiplied by 10 is 100, 100 multiplied by 10 is 1,000. So each step, each square, each division is a multiplication by 10. We see also in 1992 is not so clear as of from 1992 on the left side, because it's in millions, so the divisions are so close. So I see that from 1992 until 2000, it's not very clear what's happening here. But if I go to the right side, from 1992 to 2000, it's obvious clear. So for example, in the year 2000 on the right side, I can say that the websites were 10 millions published in the internet. In 1994, there were, this is 1,000 and 10,000, like between 1,000 and 10,000, not exactly in the middle, like 4,000 internet published in the internet. But if I go 1994 to the left side, it's not very clear. So I can say that the years from 1992 to 2000, it's better to use the right side graph compared to the left side graph because it's not so clear. And that's why we can see it can depend on the clarity, which one you choose, which graph you choose. We see that we can estimate like what will happen after 2014. After 2014, I see the trend is going upwards. That means the websites are increasing in the internet. Okay. Also, this I see it's up. Nothing is coming down. On the left side or on the right side, there is nothing coming down. So the trend, we say the trend of the internet, the trend which represent the number of websites in the internet are going higher and higher. So I can say that by 2014, we have already like 1 million sites. I can see it from here, and it's getting up. This line is getting to this point here, which is like 1,000 million websites in the internet. And on the left side, also by 2014, I can estimate that this line is going also to this position, which is like between 900 and 1000 million, exactly like this one, 1000 million. So it depends on the clarity. Which graph on the right side or on the left side can give you accurate information you can use. For me, I see the graph on the right side is much better because it's giving me clarity and accuracy, the readings of the website, how many websites in the internet from 1992 to 2014. The graph on the left side from 1992 to 2002, I feel it's like I don't know how, for example, 1992, I don't know how much is that red point here. I don't know how many websites is there. But if I go here, I see that it is no, it is not zero. It is not zero. It is 10 websites. But 10 websites here looks like zero. So I feel the graph on the right side is more uh, uh, helpful to me. It's more supportive to me. So I use if they ask you which graph you prefer to use to determine how many websites were published in the internet, you say no, the graph on the right side. That was it for the comparing between these two graphs, which are representing the number of websites in the internet. Thank you very much.